Shop local this weekend at the Algonac Art Fair, where you can find all kinds of unique and creative pieces while meeting the artists themselves.
This is the 52nd annual Algonac Art Fair presented by the Algonac Lions Club. Everyone here has to make something by hand. So woodworking, we have jewelry, we have artists that are painters and they're crafters, a skill.
I wanted to be part of it because it's been here for 52 years and I've lived here that long plus, so we're taking it over.
I'm an artist, a local artist, and I enjoy all of this, so I just wanted to get involved and see how it goes.
There are a lot of vendors here that are from the community, so that's why we all got involved, is to give back to our town.
The materials that I use are acrylic paints of all different kinds, and it's all on archival canvas with an archival varnish on top of it. And my subject is Michigan vacation places. The reason is that we travel to the wonderful north of Michigan. We love what we see. So people love having a little bit of a vacation hanging on their wall all the time. My favorite piece is the next one that I create because we continue to develop and grow. So like the next work is the best work. And the reason I love the color is because, well, the most incredible piece of work here today is the people. We are created, and every day comes with fresh brushstrokes of new brushstrokes of grace and love, so that we become the next best version of who we are meant to be.
My art is called repose, which is a French word which means in reverse. So basically what I do is I'll sit there and scribe a pattern or a picture on a block of steel. Then I use chisels, pushers, and yawls, and I'll hand dig that pattern out. And then I'll take metal and lay it on top of my pattern, and I'll use a 22-ounce hammer after it's clamped down, and I'll pound that metal into my artwork. But the whole trick of what I do is all my patterns that I make are backwards, and that's called repose, which in French it means in reverse. I'm the only guy probably left alive as an individual that does this kind of work because it's so labor intensive. It takes months, if not weeks, to make one pattern. So you have to have two things. You have to have patience, you have to have diligence, because it's very tedious. In my work, when I'm carving on a block of steel, if I make a simple mistake, if it's the first minute to the last minute, you throw it all away and have to start over. You can't fix it.
I've been painting my whole life. I really started to get serious about 17. I chose to get started just because I like to be creative, and it was a good outlet. It's a good hobby. It's really exciting. It's my first time. I've met lots of people. I've sold a few paintings so far, so it's been fun.
The Algonac Art Fair goes on until Sunday, September 1st, so come out and take home a local work of art. For Them Coast TV, I'm Melissa Painter.